Dear viewers, in the previous episode we learned a simple way to make flowers from jute strings. In this episode, let's take it a level ahead and learn how to make this beautiful flower shown here. Let's get started with the materials required. To make this flower you will need jute strips, jute string, a good pair of scissors and glue stick or glue gun. For the first step, take the jute strip and cut out a small square strip, similar to the one I have cut out. I used a square strip of edge 4 cm and this one strip would make a petal of the flower, and we will be needing 5 such strips to make one flower. The next step is to apply some glue very generously on the square strips. Now start rolling the jute string as shown. Carefully place it on the center of the square strip and then continue rolling till the edges are properly covered and the petal assumes a perfect circular shape. So now the end has reached, and let me cut the jute string and stop rolling. After this, we have to cut away the unused parts of the square strip. Also, you can tidy up the petal by cutting out the fibers that stand out, and you can smoothen the surface of the petal. As said before, we need 5 petals. Now let me ensure once more that the petals stick well. At this stage, it will be useful if you have a glue gun. If not, you can still go ahead with the glue stick. Here, let me show you how to use the glue gun for the next stage. Carefully observe how I stick the petals over one another to form this beautiful flower. You can use this last petal as shown to give the flower a bent look. Now the flower is almost ready, and keep watching to see the final touch. Now let's watch the final step to making this beautiful flower. And there is some last minute tidying up. I hope that you all love this flower made from jute string. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby for more such amazing DIY courses.